Hey Charmers, what's up? It's your girl Steph B, and today we're talking all sneak peeks about August base. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so sneak peek number 1 includes Too Faced Born This Way, Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette, and the Teddy Boy Butter London palette. I actually applied this morning and I'm wearing it right now. I have on no foundation, just this super coverage concealer, and look at my face. Flawless. This is my first time using this product, you guys, and I absolutely love it. It's super easy. The wand is literally my favorite part because it's big enough for you to literally apply on your face in your problematic areas. Super easy, seamless. You see the results. What else can I say? So the next product we have is the Violet Voss Essentials 2. This is the Pro Series eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. Look at these beautiful colors. I am so in love with the rose gold, the blue violet, the wild orchid. It's pretty dope. Let's go ahead and do some swatches. So I'm gonna do rose gold right there. Very nice. Then I'm gonna do blue violet, just my fave right now. Ooh, bomb summer vibes. Then I'm gonna do aqua. How nice is this? This palette is beautiful, you guys. You got some shimmer shades and you got some mattes, and you definitely have some transitional colors right here, which allows you to seamlessly work your way up to the pressed glitter part. So the next product we have is the Butter London Teddy Boy palette. Check it out. Super nice, right? Very beautiful transitional colors. This is screaming nothing but neutrals, but I love the neutrals here. Like you can see like rhubarb here. This soft, smoky color is very nice. It's intense too, but it definitely hits the spot. Looking good, darling. This is so cute. So that concludes sneak peek number 1. Okay, so sneak peek number 2 includes the GLAMGLOW Moisture Strip Omega Rich Moisturizer. You guys, this is great for all skin types. And if you need that extra moisture in your skin, especially for the summer, this is gonna work wonders for you. You guys all know Boxycharm loves a good GLAMGLOW product. This is super easy to apply. You apply it to your face evening and in the morning. It smells so rich. It's gonna leave your face very nice, smooth, and subtle. So there are some key ingredients in this specific product, and they are cannabis sativa seed oil, chaga mushroom, and hyaluronic acid. You guys know how important all these key ingredients are, and they will definitely leave your skin the most beautiful at its most. So the next product is the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. You guys, I'm super excited for this product. I've never tried it before, but the colors, bomb.com. So this is it, very sleek and chic, and the tip is like very velvety. Let's go ahead and get a close-up of like the product coming out. Look at that. Wow. Very nice. And do a little swatch. This color is beautiful. Wow, wait, I want to try it on. This matches my nude perfectly. Very soft on my lips. I like it. Actually, I love it. So the next product we have is the Kush Fiber Brow Gel. Everyone honestly needs a brow gel either to do before your eyebrow application or after your eyebrow application. It literally does make a difference. This one is in the shade Dutch. We do have 7 more shades included. But let's go ahead and get into this one. Cute. I like it. It's nice. Application is great. Final application is great as well. You guys, Boxycharm is killing it this summer. We own this summer. The summer is practically ours. The products featured this summer is everything you would ever need. Now we're moving on to sneak peek number 3. And in sneak peek number 3, we have the Morphe I Got This 4-piece eye brush collection. This is perfect for those who are definitely beginners, or if you just want like that perfect set to use to complete an eye look, this is it, you guys. So in this brush collection, you get an oval shadow brush, you get a Pro Firm blending crease brush, you get a tapered mini blender brush, and you get an angled liner brush. Everything you need for your essentials for your eye look. You gotta love Morphe. Their brushes are killer. Next, we have the AESTHETICA Sunset Bronzer. Now this color goes perfectly with me. I definitely paired this morning when I applied my makeup to my face. So the next product is the trèStiQue, a matte for every mood. These are mini matte lip crayon set. So the different shades you do get in here are quite the variety. I love them. Let's take them out. Look at this. Should I do swatches? I should do swatches. So you guys, these are the 6 shades swatched from the Ultra Soft Matte Lip Crayons. They look very nice. You literally pick anyone that you're in the mood for so you can go about your day and feel the best. Alrighty, you guys, that concludes all the sneak peeks for the month of August. I hope you're just as excited as I am to try so many amazing products featured this summer. Nonetheless, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up so we can keep on doing some more. Bye!